Yes, down a little bit. I think we're in. How do you feel?
Good. I'm good.
Are you comfortable?
Every shot, I just
She
sit by you for.
always sells herself short.
You're my mans, you know. Squirrels are everywhere over here. Yeah, feel you, Ben. I feel you, Ben.
I'm gonna defend my pawn. Oh no, he gets this one. Screwed up. It's okay. Take it with the rook because you're a man. You're smart. There you go. That's a better move.
I don't want you to play really fast like you did last night. They were awesome. The bullet games were like so gratifying.
Yeah.
They're instant gratification.
Bullet games are fun. Rook c8, I would love a rook c1, and then I play this. Oh no, he's already covering it though, so he could double. That sucks.
Scott says I'm way too pretty for you.
She's way too pretty for me. Yeah, got you, Scott, for sure. I told a buddy of mine that last night. No, tonight I told him. What do you do? What do you do? Rook c7. Okay.
I'm a little bit crazy though.
I don't understand. I don't understand that move. Does this lose something? I think.
Well,
Augur is followed. Thanks for the follow, man. You know, something, guys, I realized is half the people that watch me don't follow. I always look at the number. I'm like, there's only 63 people here. It's all followers. Half of you guys aren't followers. If you guys like what you see, hit the follow button.
See more Quasi.
Yeah. You can't see Quasies if you don't show up. Okay, it's a move. It's a move.
Is that what you always say? That's gonna be on your t-shirt, right? It's a move.
Give me a second.
He needs it on a t-shirt. It's a move. It's a move. It's a move.
Give me a
It's like
second.
a question mark, maybe an exclamation point afterwards. A little bit of both.
Yeah, Kyle Garcia says we're all crazy here, Courtney.
Yeah, right. But we like it. How'd you get the zipper all the way to the top?
How did you get the zipper all the way to the top? Queen covers the square. It's checkmate. Yeah, I made it. It's all right. Yeah.
Should I leave? I'm making you nervous.
It wasn't you. No, it wasn't you. That was all on me. Yes, Courtney Mertz, the artwork is already there, right?
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
That's a move.
I'm freaking made
That's
it,
a
man.
move. Question mark.
It's a move.
It's a move.
It's a move. Yeah. I resign. Guys, let me just, I have to do the report real quick. I created that freaking mate. I should have just.
So these are the moves that you should have made. Is that right?
Well, no, that's actually the moves of the game.
That you made already.
Yes, me and my opponent.
Okay.
That's the entire score of the game. Your hair is on fleek tonight, Courtney.
Thank you. You should see the bandana when it's not on my hair. I need to get my hair done so bad. I used to have leopard on the side. I haven't had it in so long. COVID happened and then I kind of stopped doing it. I had leopard print spots. Everyone thought it was a tattoo. Never. Just hair color. I have a great hairdresser. We have a great hairdresser. Ooh. His name's Jose. He's awesome. Sending you loves, lots of love. Sorry, I'm not talking too much. I'm gonna talk too much.
She's a little different than she was last time she was here.
She's trying to make it okay.
I'm sorry. Am I bothering you? I'm sorry. Am I talking too much? Last time you were just like, "What's up, man?" Like, hey, Mike Stagner says, "Hey, Courtney." Bishop G4, it's a move, it's a move.
Hi, Mike, how are you doing?
Bishop G4, you know.
Like a grandmaster too, right?
Two like who? Like a grandmaster, like equivalent.
What's David? David, what are you?
He's a master. He's a master.
Who's a grandmaster?
He's a FIDE master.
FIDE master.
Yes.
Okay, see, I don't know.
What's up, Mike?
I don't know all that stuff.
Yeah, Mike is on his way. He's on his way. Thank
you, David. Thank goodness. I think that I am too. I'm a pleasant addition.
Yeah. Love the feed, Charlie. Thanks for it. Yeah, man. You're welcome, Scott, dude. Thanks for being here, man. Look at Scott with his kids. Love it.
Babies. I said babies.
Denton. My daughter lived in Denton. My daughter was up there for a while.
We saw the cutest little girl at our gig yesterday. She was so cute. Her name was Eva. Eva. She told me her name. I said, how old are you? And she goes, Fee. I'm Fee.
She was Fee.
Your cousin's name is Fee, right?
I have a cousin named Fee.
Yeah.
Right.
She's Fee. He feeds. He feeds. It was so sweet. She was so sweet. Her dad walked away from her like a rattlesnake. What you said. Say, come here, come here, come here.
Oh, she
looked at him like, no, 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 no. I'm staying right here. She stayed next to me. She high-fived me like 20 times. I said, you want to high-five Charlie? No. He was scary. He was scary, man.
Develop your pieces, connect your rooks.
You're a scary, hairy man. Dude, how many comments are you behind?
I'm looking back up, man. I'm getting context. Okay.
Warren Stinson says you need to get chest piece earrings
for these appearances. Warren, you need
Kicking Stinson, you son of a gun.
You need to turn your amp up is what you need to do, okay? Guys, Warren Stinson just played my whole gig with me today.
He is sick.
He's a great guitar player, one of the
kindest guys you've ever met in your
nicest guys you'll ever meet.
I said a cuss word, y'all.
You almost said a cuss word? Guys, she almost said a cuss word.
Warren, I love you. I love jazz. I love watching jazz.
I dropped a pawn.
So cool.
I dropped a pawn and I didn't even need to.
Guitar players like him can't do it. They can't do it.
What, play jazz?
They can't do it.
We play jazz. We just play off key and off time and we call it jazz. It's a free tempo. Well, gotta watch out for the fork. So I'm thinking,
switch places. I think I need to sit in that chair. You need to sit in this chair.
No.
That way I can talk to the chat and
you can't talk to the chat right now?
Well, I feel like you're way away from what you need to be looking at. And I'm reaching over you to talk to it. I talked about this.
Just look at the camera. You can't read from there?
I can't. But I feel like
let's try it.
Over you.
We're gonna try it. Courtney says the gaming chair looks like a stormtrooper.
You crazy.
Look at the stormtrooper, guys. Now you're not on the camera again.
It's so different.
Look, wait, stop. Somehow you have this way of not being on camera.
Well, I kind of like being off camera.
Well, if you're gonna talk to people, look at the camera and talk to them.
Can y'all see me?
Well,
let me know in the chat if you can see me.
Look at that little window. That's you.
I'm here. Okay,
that's you.
I'm here.
See that?
Okay, I'm here. How do you feel about your position? Literally, like in your chair.
I dropped the pawn.
I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about how you feel while you're playing it.
My rook is more active than either of his rooks. It hits my bishop.
Thank you. My earrings are dope, actually. Yes.
And my knight.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And so that was a huge mistake for sure.
Hey guys, Tim Wheaton says, hey guys, I'm working on some big music stuff with pretty famous country guy here in Australia. That's freaking awesome, dude. We're going to get some recording done soon. Love to see what you think of it. Kind of blues and roots stuff. Dude, love it. It's good fun. We're called Max Joy and the Love Makers. Is that what I said? Love Makers? Dude, Tim, please send him a link to that when you get done. And if you ever do music like remotely sing, I would love to sing some harmony with you. For real. I'm so sorry to do that on the stream. I'm so sorry to say that.
To do what on the stream? What you doing?
To tell Tim Wheaton that I would love to sing some harmony with him.
Oh yeah, no.
It would be so nice.
Stop being weird.
Remotely.
Tim Wheaton says, how are we going to do this stream performance, Courtney? Charlie will let us do covers. We'll have to do one of yours or my songs.
I know. We can do that. We can do that. Tim. Dude. Skype it. Let's Skype it. Let's do it. Let's for real do it.
You can't sing music on Skype with the delay. It doesn't work.
You absolutely can do something. We will figure it out. Australia boy. Talented. I love your piano playing. You're fabulous. You're fabulous. Over the top fabulous, actually. 'Cause we don't know any fabulous players.
We
don't.
We know Delicious really.
Well, Daniel is good.
Gary Swan's pretty good.
He's not Tim Wheaton.
No,
He's absolutely not
they're
Tim
not.
Wheaton.
They're not. Tim is great. Tim is really.
You're like Elton Johnish. Like, your feeling is so above average that piano players don't compare to you. You're fabulous. No negativity, Charlie.
What's the negativity?
Tim says no negativity.
What's the negativity? I don't know what that means.
About doing over.
That's just math. If there's a delay on Skype, you can't make music on Skype.
Then you take that music into a studio, and then you make it what you want.
Oh no, you could totally collaborate, like
Yeah.
you know, long distance for sure.
I would love to do it. We should. We have to. We have to. Yeah. I'm in. He may not be. I am. David is definitely giving you some pointers.
I'm not looking.
I know. Hey, Dave,
I could play this
you're
move.
bad. You're so bad. Not trade queens. Please don't.
Is that what he said? Do not trade queens.
Don't.
Yeah, because my king is safer than his. Okay? So I need to come off and attack something and just make him defend it. I'd like to play here, but you know what?
I actually love the fact that I do not know how to play chess. I really don't. Charlie has taught me how to play pool. I played pool when I was a kid. And he beats me every time. I'm not going to baby you because you're my girlfriend. I'm not going to. Never.
I'm going for the attack. And I'm
Chess
I'm
would be
cutting off.
exactly the same way. And I said, okay, no, I'm not doing that with you because you're really good at chess. You're really good at chess.
You're really good at singing, and I do that with you every day.
I can sing. It's whatever you want me to. I really can. I challenge you every day when we sing together. You know that, right? Get it. Chess and pool are two things I will never learn the way that he knows them. Never. And I'm okay with that.
All right.
He's all right.
We're doing it, man.
He's awesome.
We're doing it. We're playing chess, man.
I'll tell you guys.
I
will tell you guys this firsthand. Diddly. Okay, can I talk for a second? You're okay with this?
This is my life. I'm sorry. I mean, go ahead, honey. The floor is yours. The floor is yours.
There's very few things he cares about.
Thank you, Eric.
In his life. Chess is 1%. It's
all
not
right,
1%.
Benjamin. You get the E4 treatment.
I see the nicest version of Charlie while he's playing chess. It's beautiful to me. It's sweet. It helps my heart for his heart. We've been together for 6 years, and chess is his world. It's his world. So that now that he's doing this, there's times of what, are you squinching at me?
I'm remembering, because I played the wrong move yesterday. Remember, I played Knight of 3 yesterday.
He has love.
Guys, I have content.
We watch chess videos, and he's not streaming, and it's literally his life. Like,
remember Grishchuk?
He loves it.
Remember Grishchuk? He looks like the crazy astronaut in that the Russian cosmonaut in the Bruce Willis movie.
Don't. That's always. That's always.
Man, it happens all the time.
We watched what video? We watched the sorry video from the Grandmaster of the whole wide world, like the champion.
Guys, tell her who the Grandmaster of the whole wide world is.
This is why I love him, because I don't have to know all these things without him making fun of me. He's cute though. No, Bobby Fischer's not him. Yours world, Courtney. You know what? I am a little bit. Magnus Carlson. Carlson.
Yeah.
What? Maggie. People call him Maggie.
I call it Maggie. People call it
Maggie. Like, watching him play chess is so rewarding to me. Because he's so calm. So calm. Now, he gets pissed off sometimes. Watching him play and watching Charly watch him play and watching the game, it's stunning to me. It's love that I don't even have. I love to sing. I love singing. It's my favorite thing in the whole wide world. Watching him watch that stuff is like overwhelming to me.
How many hours?
You can see the wake up. He wakes up.
How many hours do you think we've spent watching Ninja play Fortnite?
Oh, a few.
Just say a number of hours. Like,
I'm gonna say 12.
That's probably fair.
Yeah.
I think that's it. I feel like it might.
And he's awesome too. Ninja, you're a rock and roll star.
How many hours do you think we've watched poker?
Oh my God, 25.
You want 25 hours of poker with your girlfriend? You'll watch Ninja play H1Z1.
Love.
You'll watch Ninja play.
I love watching poker. I love watching poker, especially with the good players.
Honey,
I do.
Honey.
It'll help me up. Get me a break.
Honey. He called.
With a deuce.
Honey,
with a deuce and a what's the other card? What's the bad card? Deuce
seven.
Yeah, deuce 7.
Honey,
deuce 7.
You guys watch Phil Hellmuth, man? He's great. Honey.
Talking to his wife.
Yeah.
Great. We have a good time together. We have fun. We drink a little.
Tell me this. Have you ever watched a High Speed Pursuit live?
Never.
Live?
Never.
You guys know Stu in the helicopter in LA? He flies around LA in a helicopter and he does High Speed Pursuits?
Never seen any of them.
We watched a few of those, man.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
They're fun.
Courtney watches good stuff, man.
Like the
dude, we were watching freaking bare knuckle female fights
tonight.
And
I thought about their mothers. Their mothers. Those girls' mothers going, I want to be a bare knuckle fighter. Their moms are going, oh.
They get cut instantly and there's blood everywhere. Oh my God.
A girl 24 years old and a girl 36 years old fighting the same fight. They were fighting the same fight. We were rooting for the older lady. They looked really good. They looked for. One of them had really big tatas, so we had to kind of watch out for that. But
watch out for it or watch at it.
Watch it. Watch it.
Watch it. We watched it. We watched it. You look gorgeous, man. Why, thank you.
Man.
Wait, what? What do you say?
Man, it's a girl.
Okay, well. I was talking to me.
I have a cat named Woody. Woody Kits. Woody Kits. You know Woody Kits. He waits. He loves it when I go home. I know he does. You love it when I go home, when I'm not around you.
You want to do this on the microphone right now? You need a nap.
Thanks so much.
You need... Oh, this move. I didn't see it, man. Guys, thanks so much for the stream, man. I had a great time. It was fun having Courtney here. She is sleeping right now. I'm not even going to show you the foot cam.